welcome or welcome back. I am Uniquely Lavish, and today we will be creating monogram remembrance ornaments. And if this interests you, I promise you're going to love it here. So do yourself a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you guys. It is free 99. Okay, it costs you nothing to show a little love. With all that being said, let's get into how to create these beautiful ornaments. Alright you guys, so we are going to create our ornaments, and it's been a while since I've whipped out my Cricut, and I need to reinstall the Cricut Design Space for MacBook. So we're going to download that. And after that, we're going to start creating a design for our ornaments. Now, we're going to probably switch over to a screen record just so that you guys can have a better view of, me designing the monogram that I would like to place on the ornaments. Okay, you guys, so for whatever reason, my Cricut didn't want, not my Cricut, but the software didn't want to download to my computer. However, thank goodness for the app. And let me zoom in for y'all. So we have our proper size. We've already put our names on the app. Now we're going to go to make it. We're going to select our mat size. We have a 12 by 24 inch. We're going to confirm. Then we're going to see our stuff, how it will come out, lined up, or how it's going to cut. Then we will hit next. Now while that loads, you guys, you definitely want to make sure that your vinyl or whatever you're using is laid flat and ready to go on your mat. And once we have that together, it's going to give you instructions to press the load mat button, which is the button that's blinking right here. So we're going to press that. The mat is going to load, and then it gives you the option to cut fast. I'm going to press cut fast, and then the cut button will blink as well, so then we will just cut. So we cancel that because the mat did not load. This time let's make sure that the mat loads. So I'm going to hold it up a little bit, and I'm going to press the button to load the mat. And let's try cut again. Let's see if it'll roll in. Okay, now we're on to a good start. The mat is loaded properly, and now the machine is cutting.
I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. When I'm 123, really wish that all my heroes would notice me.
Our wings. I went ahead and cut one out just to make sure that it was the good size or the proper size. And this is how it came out. So let's go ahead and cut the rest of our heart wings.
Building our legacy, travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave.
Alright, so once we are done cutting, I like to go ahead and cut our designs into smaller pieces and weed them out. And I was kind of bummed out by this because I normally use transfer paper, which makes this a whole lot easier. However, I could not find my transfer paper, you guys, so I had to eyeball and do this piece by piece, but they still are going to come out gorgeous to me. If your placement is off, you can use your weeding tool just to pull it up and then proceed to lay it flat. Now, weeding out and placing the names were much more easier than the heart wing because it didn't have small pieces like the heart wing had. And when it comes to laying the name on the ornaments, you guys, I wanted to make sure that it was lined up properly again because I did not have transfer paper. So I lined up the middle letter where the heart indents at in the middle. And then I just built the name around from the inside out. Designing all of my ornaments, I just wanted to add just a pop of something. I planned on going to go get some snow to put inside of these, but I had this white iridescent glitter on hand and I thought would go a little better, so I ended up pouring the white iridescent glitter in the inside. And again, you can place whatever you would like to place on the inside of these. I just want to go with the white glitter. It just did something extra for me. So yeah, we went with that, and I'm just rolling it around. Now I could have inserted some glue or Mod Podge in the inside of these so that it can stick a little more, but I still wanted the clear look. These are my boys and my brother, Nehemiah, Caleb, Demarius, and Antonio. To those of you out there who may have lost someone, understand that we may learn to cope but they will forever remain in our hearts and in our daily thoughts. And I think that this is an awesome way to remember them during the holiday season. And if you just did this project, or you would like to do this project just for memorabilia purposes, then that's fine too. My heart truly goes out to anyone who's ever lost someone, and my prayers are with you. If you have ever experienced a second trimester miscarriage, then my first video is packed with an abundance of information that may be very much so beneficial to you. I encourage you to go and watch that video just to see if you're in a similar situation, to see if you can find some information that may help you. I thank you guys so much for tuning into this episode of Vlogmas. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you later.